Hello everyone. So in the last lecture we discussed about the element. So here we are going to about the attribute. Attribute is also a part of HTML. So part of HTML and which use in element. So attribute will always be used in a starting of tag. So the suppose we have a h1 on h2 tag, or we have any tag which from starting tag we can put our attribute. Okay. So here is some example we have, and I will show you some demo also how we can use. So attribute is the additional information of element. So you have to just keep in your mind that is the additional information we are want to show something additionally. So then in that case we use attribute. Attribute is also sometime we use very helpful when we use some scripting language. So that will be discussing later. So I will show you some example like we have here is the img, src and alt. Src is a path where src is an attribute where we define the path of image when we are calling when we are going to render some image, and alt tag is the name of that image. Suppose if your image is not getting rendered, then in that case alt tag will show the name of that image, and this is also helpful in SEO. So I will show you show the demo, so then you will get idea. For example, here we have our code. So I'm just img and I'm just typing alt. So here I am just writing image name and sorry, some type of image name. So I'm not defining any src anything, I'm just putting alt image name. So just render this in browser. So I'm just opening in a browser here. If you see, here is image name is coming because I have not defined in any image. So let's put some image link there. So I'm just finding nature image here, just clicking and just copy link address, go here and just put here. Okay, I think so I wrongly copy image address. Good. So I'm just saving here, and now let's go and refresh the page. See, now you can see the image here. So next, like we have other attribute also, like we have a width, we have height, and other also we have. You just go in some doc and you can see what are the attribute we have. Like we have width, I am just defining 300 and 300. I'm just going to here, I'm just so you can see the 300 will apply to that image. And also, as I show in example, there is a title attribute. Just I'm showing title is work like a tooltip. Tooltip is when we are going to hover on some content, then the some pop-up will come and show some content like I am tool tip. Let's see, hover on text. Let's render this. If you hover here, see, I'm a tooltip is coming. Tooltip is coming like a pop-up type things. Okay, so dialog type things. So that this is the title attribute we have. We have a width attribute, we have a height attribute, we have a src, and we have other many. Like we have a lang which can use here in estimate lang. We have defined eng, so that this will help in search engine optimization when we use SEO. So in this case, this will help. Okay, so these are the attribute we have, and this is example and how we can use the attribute. We have a style attribute also. I will show when we come in a style section. Okay, thank you.